Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your permanent residence portal account for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I show in this video has no legal validity, and if you take anything out of this video, you can do it at your own risk. And my purpose is just to navigate you through the process, and this is available online, anybody can go through it. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this permanent residence portal. So if you like, they have given the clear information, like you should create this new account if you're starting a new permanent residence application. If you're using this portal, confirm your status as permanent resident. IRCC is gonna share the credentials with you. So let's say your purpose is to apply spouse sponsorship. For that we can use this. So you don't have an account, create an account. Okay, so what are the things you need? So email, password, there's a set of criteria, then check this and create account. So I'm gonna just do it for myself. You can see I have used a password. I'm not gonna click on sorry, and then now I'm gonna click on create account. So after you do that, it sends a verification code to your account, email account, and that you're gonna use. So I'm gonna put that on and click on complete registration, and then it comes here, congratulations, you have successfully created a new account. So that's how simple it is guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.